Hi, my name is David. I want to share 6 Python and HTML projects with you. 4 projects are language learning applications, and 2 projects are mathematical demonstrations. The first project creates flashcards from word pairs. A subset of words from a specific word group can be selected for study. The project also features a Russian keyboard with Google Translation. The second project is a typing game. One or several word groups can be selected. A word must be typed correctly to proceed to the next word. Feedback for correct and incorrect letters is given. Words the user makes mistakes on are prompted more often. The third project features audio, text, and translations. Audio has 2 play speeds and text visibility is toggleable. The data can be navigated quickly with sliders and buttons. A Russian and English keyboard with Yandex translation is also featured. The fourth project quizzes the user on the Georgian alphabet. For each letter, the user must select its phonetic match. There is feedback for right and wrong answers. The fifth project is a demonstration of quaternions. Quaternions offer a superior method for calculating 3D rotations. The script creates a random point and line segment, then calculates new points by rotating the first around the line segment. The sixth project creates a template for metal tube cutting. An input asks for tube diameters and a mating angle. Template profiles are calculated and plotted. This plot is to be printed, cut out, and traced onto the tube. I hope the viewer finds my projects interesting. See the Google Drive link in the video description to download the projects. Thank you for watching.